Hey there everyone, Jay here with WB Tool News, and we are super excited. We just got our hands on the brand new GP2500i Inverter Generator from Generac. We are pumped. Let's bust this thing open and see what's inside. Out of the box, this unit comes with oil and a funnel to get you up and running, a screwdriver to remove the back panel, a spark plug wrench, and a handy little battery charging cable. Now that we've got this thing out of the box and we've had a second to take a look at the owner's manual, let's go outside and see if we can fire this thing up. All right, so the first thing we're gonna have to do is add the oil, and to do that, we have to take this front panel off. We're gonna show you how to do that right here. So when you're removing this thing, it's just 2 screws, so once you take those off, this panel should come off nice and easily. Okay, so now that we've loosened the screws, this thing should just pop right off. All right, now that we've got the front panel off, we're gonna go ahead and pull out the dipstick, and we're gonna make sure that there's no excess oil on there, so we'll wipe that off. And then to check to make sure there's no oil in there, we're gonna stick the dipstick in without screwing it in, pull it out, and as you can see, we've got no oil on there, so we're gonna go ahead and add the oil, and we'll go from there. You always wanna make sure that when you're filling the oil that you're doing it on a level surface. Go. Now that we've got our oil in there, we are ready to fuel this puppy up. Let's go ahead and give it a roll. Let's take the fuel cap off here. We've got our nice, easy SureCan fuel tank. This is gonna make it real easy to fill this puppy up, so let's get it done. All right, this thing powered up, first try, fantastic. It's nice and quiet, and this thing is ready to go to tailgate at the big game. We've had a little time to use this unit, and here are a few of the key takeaways. 1, it's super quiet, so you're not disrupting anyone that's within earshot. Compact, lightweight, perfect for weekends in the woods to outdoor cookouts with friends and family. It's got a nice little USB port for charging mobile devices and well-constructed outlet covers providing added protection from the elements. Whether you're tailgating for the big game or just want to add some quiet power to your campsite, this is the inverter for you. If you want to see other tool-related videos, take a look over here. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.